Hey everybody, this is Larry. This is May 25th of the May Leetcode Daily Challenge. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, join me on Discord. Let me know what you think about this farm. And you're almost done with the month. So, if you're up to here so far, give yourself a cheer. And let's get, let's solve today's problem. Evaluate reverse Polish notation. I have crazy allergies, so if I sneeze or sniffle a lot, my bad. This is recorded live. And yeah, and if it's a little bit slow, just fast forward or whatever. Excuse me. Okay. So you have a reverse Polish notation, and you're trying to figure it out. Okay, and the cool thing about reverse Polish notation, and you should read about it if you haven't, is that you can implement it with a stack. That's the key thing about it. And because that the expression is always valid, we don't have to do anything. So we just have to take care about it, take care of the things, and also making sure that the order of operation is correct. And that's pretty much it. And what I mean by that is that, for addition, it is commutative, meaning that a plus b is equal to b plus a. But if you have division, for example, a divided by b is obviously not b divided by a. So you just have to be careful about it. So let's get started. And this is just a straight up implementation of the reverse Polish notation thing. I think if you read up the literature, it will tell you. And I, and as you go to 10 to the fourth, but you know that you implement everything with a stack, which is the beauty of it, so it's going to be linear anyway. So yeah, so token in tokens, if token in this is just implementation. I don't know how I want to do it. Yeah, if the token is a number, then we just push it on the stack. Otherwise, in theory, I guess actually, I was gonna say in theory you do it in the switch statement. In Python there isn't a switch statement, but or I done that, but I think I read somewhere that maybe it's in 3.9, but I don't know anymore. So I haven't used it yet, so if it is the case, leave me a link or a comment, and I'll have to take a look at it. But let's just write it the dubious way. So yeah, and because this is always valid, we don't have to kind of check anything. So we just do something like. Actually, I guess we can do this in either case. And I might have these backwards, but. But that's okay. We could that's easy to fix, right? And this is nothing glamorous. You see exactly what I see. You see exactly what I'm doing. So, yeah. If you're really adventurous and you're really like Python-y, you can actually do use eval to. What did I do? You could use eval, but for me, I'm gonna just try to keep it clean and readable for everybody for now. For some definition of that. I think I got them backwards though. Whatever, just. And then at the very end, what do we return? Just the answer? Okay. Oh, and this should be the int version of this. And then just return stack of, I guess, -1. Should be int already. So yeah, I think I got the orders wrong though. This should be. But now let's do a couple more. Well, this one's the easy one, where the order doesn't matter, but at least it doesn't crap out on me, right? Like, at least it's running. Oh my. Oh my. Oh god. Shouldn't happen. Did I miss something? If it is not a number. Oh man. Excuse me. Excuse me. What is the token then? Huh. Yeah. As in real life, sometimes you have to battle more than just the farm. Oh man, I am struggling a little bit. Negative 11. Oh. Huh. Oh man. Okay. My apologies. Hopefully that was it. Okay. So it's no. Huh. That's interesting. I actually didn't know this. Man, I'm struggling. Give me a second about the sneezing. I'm like half sneezing again. But I didn't know that this was going to be the case. So yeah, so we can just do something like try. I think you should technically be specific about what you accept, but I forget what the exception is. Maybe I'll tell you. But except what's an exception tag gonna do? I don't know. I mean, I just leave it. You technically you're supposed to be really precise about the class of the exception, but I forget what exception it. Excuse me. I hope you're not. I hope you don't have your speakers too loudly. I apologize. But yeah, usually you would write the exception that is here so that you could accept it correctly. For the purpose of this video, I'm gonna skip that just because I forget what it was. I mean, you could probably look it up. So yeah, but still wrong though, huh? Do I have the orders wrong? Maybe. Oh man. Excuse me. This is wrong though. Why is this wrong? Let's print it out. Let's print out the stack. So 10, 6, 9, 3, add them 12, 11, multiply 132. Divide. Why is this negative 1? Multiply, divide. Did I get the order wrong? I got it right, but where does the negative 1 come from? Now I'm really confused. Did I copy and paste wrong? Because the thing with the reverse Polish notation is that you don't have to worry about order of operations, because it is given to you in the exact way that it should have been. So 9 plus 3 is 12. Okay, just one. 6 to by. Oh, okay. I know what happened. The thing is that in Python, I forgot about this. In Python, division is handled differently than in other languages, or at least some other languages, where 6 divided by negative 132 would be 0 in, truncate towards 0. But in Python, that's not always the case. That's just, it gives you the smaller number, I believe. So 6 divided by negative 132 will actually give you negative 1, because it is between negative 1 and 0, and it gives you the smaller number. That's a really nasty thing. I always, this is the thing that I know I don't remember how to handle. Hmm. That's annoying. So okay. So we just have to fix this a little bit. Hmm. I actually don't know how to fix this. Hmm. I'm gonna just Google it. Yeah, okay, so people just recommend doing. I mean, there are a couple of ways of doing it. You could be as silly as you like. That's why I wasn't thinking about it. But apparently, you can just do it in float and then convert to double. That's I don't like this, but at least for now, it'll get us. Yeah, that'll be good enough. Hmm. Okay. Did I have a print? Oh yeah, there it is. So now let's give it a submit. And with stuff like this gives me worry that I'm gonna have some random issues. But yeah, but with each token in the negative 200 200 range, precision issues are not a major thing, I guess. But yeah, that's all I have for this video. Is that no? I'm just sneezing a lot, so I'm like in a hurry to finish this. But no, this is linear time, as you can, you do a stack, and for each token. Oh my god. Excuse me. For each token, you look at each token once, and every element gets pushed or popped on the stack at most once. So so yeah, so there's gonna be linear time, linear space on the stack, and that's all I have for this problem. I think now is all I have. This is pretty much like it's something that you learn in algorithms class, so it's fundamental in that sense. I don't know how often it comes up. It doesn't really come up unless the problem writer is specific about it. So I don't know. So use your best judgment whether you should think about this one. But it is something that is very fundamental CS. So I don't know. Anyway, excuse me. That's all I have today. I'm clearly a mess. So I hope this video was good enough for you. And I'll see you later. Have a good rest of the week. And yeah, to good health and to good mental health. Bye bye.